Have you seen those ads popping up everywhere showing stylish two-piece sets, tracksuits, and vintage-inspired outfits at unbelievable prices? It looks tempting, right? But before you hit add to cart, let's take a closer look. Finessven claims to offer trendy casual fashion for men, including sleek matching sets, retro jackets, and even some skirt-style streetwear pieces for bold fashion lovers. On the surface, everything looks modern and well-presented, but here's where things start to get questionable. The site itself is very new, registered only in May 2025, meaning it doesn't have a solid track record or customer history yet. Many of the product photos appear to be copied from other fashion sites, which raises doubts about whether the items actually exist in the quality shown. The address listed on the website doesn't match any verified business location, and there's no active social media presence, which is unusual for a fashion brand trying to appear trendy and global. When it comes to customer feedback, there's only one Trustpilot review and none on Reddit or YouTube, so it's hard to know what real buyers are experiencing. On the positive side, the site does share contact information, including an email and physical address, but when checked, the details don't fully add up. Prices are also suspiciously low for what they're offering, which might be a tactic to lure impulse shoppers. So, is Finessven a legit fashion destination or another forgettable online shop that vanishes after taking your money? The evidence doesn't scream scam, but it definitely doesn't inspire confidence either. If you're thinking about ordering, proceed with caution and maybe wait until more real reviews appear. Because in the world of online shopping, if a deal looks too good to be true, it usually is.